How to know if a guy likes you? Methods. 1. Watching his body language and behavior. 2. Getting to know him better. 3. Finding out for sure. Method 1. Watching his body language and behavior. 1. See if he makes eye contact with you when you are around. If you notice the guy looking in the eyes, try meeting his gaze with a smile and hold it for a few seconds. If he doesn't look away, he might be interested in you, especially if he smiles back. Keep in mind that this can just be him acknowledging you, or he may be in the habit of looking everyone in the eye. On the other hand, some guys are really shy when they like someone, so they may actually make eye contact less often if he is really into you. 2. Pay attention to whether he smiles around you. When you like someone, you can't help but smile when they are near. If the guy you are around always light up as soon as he sees you, it could mean that he has a crush on you. He could just smile at you because you are friends, so be careful not to jump to conclusions. 3. Watch whether he mirrors your behavior. If you are talking to a guy or hanging out with him as a part of a group, you might notice that whenever you touch your face or your hair, he does the same thing. Subconsciously, mirroring someone else's behavior is a sign that you are attracted to them, so it could be a good clue that he is into you. To try this out, try repeating a smile movement, like brushing your hair off, forehead, or straightening the hem of the shirt. Then watch whether he does the same thing. 4. Observe whether his body and feet are angled toward you. Without realizing it, we tend to lean toward people we like and lean away from people we don't like. When you are talking to the guy in question, watch whether he turns his body toward you or away from you. You can also watch whether his feet are pointing toward you, which can be another sign that he is interested. 5. Ask yourself whether he seems nervous or awkward when you are around. Sometimes, guys can get a little bashful when they like someone. If you notice that a guy blushes, stammers, or gets quiet when you come around, you might have a crush on him, although he may just be naturally shy. If you notice a guy doing this and you like him too, try giving him a little smile or a touch on the arm to reassure him. It and set him at ease. 6. Watch whether he finds excuses to touch you. If a guy is always ready with a hug, he frequently touches you on your arm or shoulder, or he looks for reason he can be physically close to you, he might like you. However, he might just be a touchy person, so pay attention to whether he acts like that with other people. If you are the only one, he probably has a crush. If a guy ever makes you feel uncomfortably by touching you or pressing close to you, firmly tell him to stop and step away from him. Don't worry about hurting his feelings. If he's a decent guy, he will apologize and avoid doing it again in the future. If it continues, stay away from him.